Hey, what's up, hustlers? Before we get into today's easy money method, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell so you never miss a cash-making tip, and drop a comment telling me which country you're watching this from. I want to make videos that help people in your area specifically, so let me know. Alright, now let's talk about how you can start earning $50 a day online, without spending a single cent of your own money. No gimmicks, no hidden fees, and definitely no investment needed. Today, I'm breaking down how you can use a free website called HeyCash to start making money from your phone or laptop, literally within minutes. Yeah, minutes. If you've got Wi-Fi and a few spare moments, you're good to go. So what is HeyCash? It's what's called a GPT site, which stands for Get Paid To. You earn real cash just by answering surveys, trying out mobile games, or completing super simple offers. No experience needed, and you can sign up for free. Let's talk numbers, because that's what you want to hear. You can earn up to $120 just by playing mobile games. Yeah, you heard that right. Play a game, get paid. Or if surveys are more your thing, you can earn up to $6 for a quick 2 to 10-minute survey. And with offers, you can get up to $75 per app you try. And if you're worried about whether it's legit, check this out. HeyCash has over 1.5 million downloads, more than 150,000 reviews, and a 4.8-star rating on both Google Play and the App Store. That's a lot of happy users making real money every single day. But the best part? You're not just earning fun money. You can actually cash out through PayPal or pick from over 239 different rewards, including pretty much any gift card you can think of. So whether you want quick cash or you're saving for something special, there's an option for you. Getting started is insanely easy. Just sign up for free, pick a few games or surveys that catch your eye, and start earning. Most people see their first reward in the same day they sign up. So if you're serious about making an extra $50 a day, don't just watch this and move on. Jump over to HeyCash, give it a try, and let us know how much you make. And I want to hear from you. Drop your wins, tips, or even your questions about HeyCash in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create better videos for you and the whole side hustle community. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so you're always in the loop for the next big money-making opportunity. See you in the next one.